Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by Mammee and we are going to give you a drone tour of the Mammee interchange. Now currently this location is a roundabout, but this is where they plan to build a massive interchange to connect the Jamaica North-South Highway, which is a highway to the right, to the north-south highway, which is the highway on the left. Currently, as you can see, it's being connected via a roundabout. But the government plans to build the Mammee interchange out here. Now, there has been a lot of discussion about if there is space to build the interchange out here. So today we're giving you a drone tour so you can see that there is a lot of space. Look at all of this land. To the left, that seems to be an old road, and to the right, there is a lot of empty land. So our interchange can easily be built out here. Also, the government is expanding the north-south highway, which is a highway to the right. They are going to extend it in two directions from this spot. So from Mammee it's going to go east towards Tower Isle or the Ian Fleming International Airport. And to the west, it's going to continue to Discovery Bay or the border with St. Anne and Trelawney. So with those extensions and the current traffic on these two highways, they definitely need an interchange. And also Draxall, because of the highway, North Jamaica North-South Highway, Draxall has emerged as the fastest growing area in Jamaica. Mammee Bay close behind, Runaway Bay close behind. So this roundabout is not, it can't manage the traffic that's on it now. It needs to be upgraded. And when they put in the additional highway extension, they're going to have even more traffic. So guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. All right, guys, have a good day.